Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open Settings and go straight to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This is where you control device security. Once there, enter your current passcode to unlock options and make sure your Apple ID password is nearby for verification. Choose between a 4-digit, 6-digit, or a custom alphanumeric passcode. Pick the strongest one you'll remember. Start by selecting Change Passcode or Turn Passcode on, because simple preparation speeds the rest of the process. Once done with the device passcode, tap Passwords to manage saved logins. You must authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Enable Autofill Passwords and iCloud Keychain to store credentials securely and keep them synced across devices. When creating accounts, use the suggested Strong Password option. This generates complex, unique passwords automatically. Make sure to update weak or reused passwords by editing entries. And note that enabling two-factor authentication adds an You finish by testing auto-fill in Safari and apps. Sign into a site to confirm your saved password fills correctly. Make sure iCloud Keychain syncing completes and verify Face ID or Touch ID unlocks passwords smoothly. If you get locked out of an account, use Account Recovery or your Apple ID recovery options immediately. If passwords aren't appearing, toggle iCloud Keychain off and on, restart the iPhone, and re-authenticate. This often resolves sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.